Solve for a by using the square root, all right? So we solve for a in these two problems here. The first one is a squared equals to 9, and the second one is a squared minus 4 equals to 0, all right? So what are we solving for again? A, all right? But what do we have here? A squared, so we need a. And to be able to get a, that means we need to eliminate 2. We need to cancel the 2 by doing what? Taking the square root of both sides, okay? So taking the square root of this one here and taking the square root of that side. So square root of a squared is going to give us a. And then that'll be equal to what? Plus and minus the square root of 9, which is what? 3. Okay? So definitely your answers are a equals to positive 3. And then a equals to negative 3. So you have two answers, all right, because the plus and the minus 3, they are equal to positive 3 and negative 3. Very important to keep in mind, all right? So now we go to the second question here. A squared minus 4 equals to 0. So the difference between the two questions that we have is that for this one, on the left side of the equal sign, the number is with the variable. And for this one, the first question, the variable is on the left, the number is on the right side. So what do we need to do then? That means we're going to have to transfer the negative 4 to the other side. So we can do positive 4 both sides, okay? Then we end up with a squared equals to what? Positive 4. All right, but what are we solving for again? A and not a squared. So what's going to happen? We need to eliminate 2 again by doing what? By taking the square root of both sides. And then square root of a squared is a. And that is equal to what again? Plus minus. What is square root of 4? Equals to 2. So we end up with a equals to positive 2. And a equals to negative 2. And ladies and gentlemen, you can always check your answers to make sure that you get it right. All right? Thank you.